As states roll back their lockdown orders, many are also seeing a rise in new coronavirus cases, as we've been reporting. Here's One America's Allysia Britton.
States are seeing a spike in new coronavirus cases just weeks after reopening their communities. California, Arizona, Florida, and Texas all reported a surge in new virus cases this week. The Golden State saw more than 4,000 new cases in a single day Thursday.
And so let us make, in closing, a commitment to one another to recognize that this pandemic has not gone away, to recognize that you're seeing an increase in numbers all across this country.
Governor Gavin Newsom imposed a statewide mask requirement later that day, ordering nearly everyone in public to wear a face covering. Meanwhile, just east in Arizona,
I want to remind people that this is a marathon. It's not a sprint. There is more to do, and there is indication that we are not out of the woods.
The state's intensive care units reached 84% of its total capacity, as it passes 42,000 total active cases. And over in the Sunshine State, Governor Ron DeSantis stands firm on his decision to keep the economy open as the state approaches 86,000 active cases.
So no, we're not shutting down. We're going to go forward. We're going to continue to protect the most vulnerable. We're going to continue to advise, particularly our elderly population, to maintain social distancing, avoid crowds.
Meanwhile, Texas Governor Greg Abbott is echoing similar sentiment.
We are now in a situation where we are coexisting with COVID-19, where we do not have to choose between either returning to jobs or protecting health care. We do have the tools and the strategies in place where we can achieve both of those ends. Jobs can be maintained without jeopardizing the health of a community.
Texas currently has less than 100,000 active cases. Earlier this week, President Trump noted the spike in cases may be connected to the increase in availability of testing.
We will show more cases when other countries have far more cases than we do. They just don't talk about it. But the testing, on the other hand, is very good because we find out where it's going, how it's going, who it's going to, and we take care of it.
Meanwhile, some states are considering reimposing coronavirus-related restrictions to reverse this trend, but critics argue Americans need to return to work as the pandemic has already caused enough financial distress. Allysia Britton, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.